Hey guys, welcome back once again for another video. So today I am going to have another long ride. Long ride in the sense it is pretty long. I am going to travel once again to Chennai with my motorcycle, and this time I am going to take this r15 V4M with me to Chennai. So before starting the trip, what I am going to do today is I am going to check the mileage of this motorcycle. That is for a liter of fuel, how much kilometer this motorcycle covers. That is what I am going to check today. Actually, the motorcycle is having a mileage meter in its dashboard, and if you look at the dashboard, it shows around 2.1 liter of fuel for every 100 kilometers. So I am not confident about this mileage shown in the dashboard of this motorcycle. These things are not very accurate. So what I am going to do today is I am going to calculate the mileage of this motorcycle by using the tank to tank method. That is, I am going to fill the motorcycle's tank completely, and then I am going to reset the trip meter, and again I will be running the motorcycle for quite some time, and then once again I will fill the tank, and with that I can easily calculate the exact mileage of this motorcycle by dividing the trip meter reading with the fuel the motorcycle has consumed for filling the tank for the second time. So that will give the exact mileage of any motorcycle, and I am going to do the test on my way to Chennai. बोल And here we are with a full tank of fuel in the R15, and I have reset the first trip meter, the trip meter 1. The motorcycle is having 2 trip meters, so I have reset the first trip meter, and now the first trip meter has started to record the reading. And at the next fuel stop, where I am going to fill the fuel tank, I will be checking the mileage of this motorcycle using my first trip meter reading. So today the climate has been pretty good. It has just rained some half an hour ago, so the climate is not very hot, and the climate is forgiving. So the best conditions to ride a motorcycle, and I hope it should not rain on the way. So stay tuned, and let us see what mileage the Yamaha r15m gives. Here we are into the fuel pump. Speed full tank speed. இருக்குண்ணா கொஞ்சம் அடிங்க. 200 கிலோமீட்டர் ஓடி இருக்கு வண்டி. 200 கிலோமீட்டர் ஓடி இருக்கு. போ And I am quite surprised with the mileage figures of the R15. So the motorcycle has consumed 5.76 liters of fuel for covering a distance of 218.8 kilometers exactly. So the mileage figure is 37.98 kilometer per liter. That is, we can call it as 38. So for motorcycle as good as the R15, and the speeds which I have maintained is almost the motorcycle was at full throttle for more than 100 kilometers of the 200 kilometers which I have ridden so far. So for this speed, the mileage the R15 has returned is quite impressive, I have to say. Had I been riding quite slowly, the mileage figure would have exceeded 45 kilometers per liter. And for the R15, that is an excellent mileage, I have to say. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.